Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change font size on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story right here, and I'm going to upload an image from my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload this image. Okay, and then I'm going to add tags to the story. I'm going to click on this tags menu, and then I'm going to type in something on this Instagram story. Wait, I'm going to type in for example, Instagram story. Okay, just like this. And then if you want to change the font size, you just need to go to the section guys, and you can move it up like this or move it down. You can use the slider to change the font size of your text on Instagram story. If you want to make it bigger, you can go up like this, and if you want to make it smaller, you can go down. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger, for example, and once you're done changing the font size, you can click on done. Okay, you can also zoom in or zoom out like this to change the font size. You can use both of your fingers. You can use your two fingers to change the font like this. Okay, and then I'm going to change the font. Okay, I'm going to change the background guys. Alright, you can zoom in or zoom out like this to change the font size of your text on your Instagram, or you can simply use the slider. Okay, that's so easy, right? And you can customize the Instagram story according to your needs. And I'm just going to use this font, and I'm going to make it bigger again. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change font size on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.